Good morning, world. Of course I would have that happen. Hey everybody, my name is Gabby and today I am taking you along for a what I eat in a week breakfast edition, because let me tell you, ever since I came back home in March of, wow, last year, that's crazy to think, I decided I would develop a morning routine which included breakfast, because I was never good about eating breakfast and now I can't leave the house without eating it. So that's really, really good. That's one definite meal every single day, which is a really good start. And I have my morning coffee with a really cute mug, and this is something I learned in a chemistry class in high school, so this was funny and I had to get it at Target, and with a yogurt because I love my yogurt. So I am going to be taking you along for a week of breakfast meals, and I promise, like, this is truly what I was eating. It was very hard to film because I did not have a tripod to use, and when I filmed on a phone it wasn't working that well either, so we really did our best. And if this goes well, I'm going to try and make this into a series of what I eat in a day, what I eat in a week, just to kind of give you all ideas as to how to eat healthy and eat well and eat plenty of good foods that will help nourish your body and make you feel good while also being delicious and very presentable too. Most of the foods looked really good without me even having to like present them on a plate, so that's always positive. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you eat with your eyes or you follow along too, because they're really easy, there's nothing complicated, and everybody can make these. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you guys later. Now go enjoy.
All right, so starting off day one, we did have a oat milk latte. This is basically what I have every single day when I wake up in the morning, not gonna lie. So I decided to put some French vanilla syrup in there, and then in my milk frother, I put some cinnamon into my oat milk, and I just kind of set it to steam and froth, which is a handy dandy little invention. And then once that was done, I just poured it all in and made it look all pretty, question mark. It looked okay. I'm not good at latte art. And then for the actual food that day, I had Kodiak cakes, pumpkin flax pancakes / waffles. I kid you not, I bought about 6 boxes of these back in October, knowing that they would be off the shelves very quickly, so I still have them quite a few times a week. They're really good. They have lots of protein. They don't have a lot of sugar, and here is a Greek yogurt break. Obviously, I was getting a little hungry, so I wanted to have a little bit of a snack in between making the meal. And then to plate it, I just got a bunch of berries. Blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are my favorites. And then I also put some agave on top of my pumpkin flax pancakes and some cinnamon on my berries, which are a lovely addition for your digestive purposes, and it just is really good too. And here we are showing it all off because it was absolutely delicious. On day two, I just had that same oat milk latte that morning. I also put a little bit of French vanilla syrup in there, so no extra sugar outside of that. And then I put some whole wheat English muffins into the toaster oven and set that up so that it would be ready. And of course another Greek yogurt break and some more berries. And there was a party foul because obviously I can't do anything right. So I just put everything on the plate, did the same thing, put cinnamon on my berries. Today I didn't have any blueberries, so I just left those off. And then I put peanut butter and almond butter on my toast, one on each. And then I had black currant jam on both of them and topped it with some chia seeds, and it was really, really yummy. And this is certainly one of my favorite things to make in the morning if I'm on the go or if I'm just looking for something good to eat. All right, and we're starting off with the same thing I had every single day, and this is typical, but I decided to show you because it's literally what I drink every day in the morning. And then some more berries, except now I had strawberries, so I threw those in there. and another Greek yogurt break because I can't start the day without it. And this is similar to a few days ago. I just had pumpkin flax waffles again because they're delicious. And I did the same thing, topped that with some agave syrup and topped my berries with cinnamon. Guys, I'm being 100% honest, this is really what I eat, so I didn't try and make something different every day because I was feeling waffles again today, so that's what I had. And another day of oat milk lattes, woohoo, shocker. But that's what I drink every day. I recommend you guys give it a try. I can come up with a recipe if you guys are interested. I also have one on my Instagram as well if you want to take a look. And today I decided to make a veggie omelet, of course my version of an omelet because I am not good at making it. I put some spinach on there, I put some Trader Joe's almond milk style mozzarella shreds, which were delicious. And of course I didn't make it look very good, so please excuse me. And when it flipped, I got a little bit all over the stove, which was annoying, but it ended up being delicious anyway, so who really cares, right? And I usually top it off with some avocado and some ketchup on top, which I never actually liked on eggs, but look at that, we're doing it. And some more berries, woohoo! Topped it with cinnamon, yet again. You guys should really give this a try. Obviously, it's one of my favorite things to do. No, it's all very good, I swear. Alright, and today I actually went out to a place in the area and got a veggie omelet. It had pesto infusion, feta on top, and a caprese side dish. And I had a pumpkin spice latte. And both of them were really, really good, and it's some of my favorite things to get when I'm out. And today I actually forgot to film my breakfast, but I just had a bagel with avocado and eggs and stuff like that. We went out to the boardwalk, so I had an iced oat milk vanilla latte. And we're starting off with a homemade latte again. And now I had cinnamon raisin Ezekiel bread. I just threw that in the toaster, got it toasted a little bit. And in the meantime, I made my version of a Greek yogurt parfait. Now Chobani really inspired me because I put cashew butter on the bottom of it and then I mix it all in and it's just so good and it's a little bit of added protein as well. I love nut butter, so I'll give and take any excuse to put it in my breakfasts. And then I topped it with some cinnamon, some cacao nibs, and I also put a little tiny bit of granola on top just to give it a little bit of a crunch. And there you have it, folks. That's 7 full days of my breakfasts in the morning, and I hope you take some inspiration and try some of these out yourself.
And we're back! Hope you guys enjoyed that video, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss a video with me. I'm trying to become a lot more consistent this year just because this has been something fun and it's allowed me to be a little bit more creative and allowed me to use my editing and videographer skills and whatnot. So if you want to see more from me, let me know by liking and subscribing. And yeah, thank you guys so much again, and I will see you in the next video. Now go eat some breakfast, okay? Don't forget to drink your water and go eat.